I hope you are absolutely fine. In the previous video, I have discussed the image formation by convex lens. In today's video, I am going to discuss image formation by concave lens. So, what is concave lens? Yes, concave lens is the diverging lens. I hope आपको इसके rules learn होंगे, rules remember होंगे आपको. Image formation के जो हमने rules किए थे, the ray parallel to the principal axis will appear or diverge from the focus, because this one is the imaginary focus of concave lens, and the ray will pass through the optical center, will bend, do not bend, clear, will pass undeviated without any bending, it will not bend, clear. And third one is the ray will appear to come from the focus. This is the actual focus of the concave lens. The ray will appear to come from the focus. After refraction, it will diverge parallel to the principal axis. Clear? It appear to come like that. Clear? So we have to apply these three rules for the image formation by concave lenses. Clear? So let's consider first case when the object is at infinite distance. Object is at infinity. When the object is at infinity, the image, we have to see what type of image is formed. So the nature of the lens is diverging. Clear? So we have to diverge the rays. This is the optical center. This is the first focus. This is the second focus. This is second. This is the second focus. This is not the second focus. Now the object is at infinity and the rays coming from infinite are parallel. Clear? So what I will do? Converge? No, this is the diverging lens. So the rays will appear to diverge like that. Clear? The rays will diverge. But they appear to diverge. When I exfoliated them, they appear to coming from focus. So where the image is formed? The image is formed where the rays are meeting, appear to meeting. The image is formed at F1. And what is the nature of the image? Are the rays are actually meeting? No, they are not actually meeting. So the nature of the image is virtual and erect. Clear? And what is the size? It is diminished or point sized. It is point sized. Clear? So let us take second case when the object is at any distance. When the object is between 2F1 and O. कहीं पर प्लेस कर लो आप between 2F1 and O. O और 2F1 के बीच में हम कहीं पे भी प्लेस करके देखेंगे ऑब्जेक्ट को. what type of images forming and what type of images formed by this diverging lens. This is concave lens. This is the principal axis, optical center, first focus, 2F1, F2 and 2F2. Now we'll place the object between 2F1 and O. The parallel ray will diverge. Clear? So if I exfoliated this in backward direction, it will appear to pass from F1. And the second ray, because we need two rays at least to cut at a point where the image is formed. So second ray is the ray which is passing from the optical center. This is the ray which is passing from the optical center. So this will pass without any deviation. So where these two rays are meeting, they are meeting at this point. So this is the point where the image is formed. And look, what type of image is this? Are the rays are actually meeting? No, they are not actually meeting. So the image is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. Clear? And second, what is the size? Small size. Small size image is formed. Clear? And on the same side of the object placed. The image is formed on the same side of the object placed. Clear? So one point which you have to remember about concave lens is it always formed virtual and erect image, and also smaller in size image. What type of image is formed? Small image and virtual image. Clear? Virtual, erect, and always small size image. Clear? Now we will tabulate all these image formation of both convex as well as concave lens on a paper. First is the location of object, then image location, then its nature and its size. Let us take first for convex lens. Now the object is placed at infinity. Where the image is formed? Image is formed at f1. When the object is at infinity, image is formed at f2. Where the image is formed? The image is formed at f2. What is the nature? Real and inverted. And what is the size? Point sized. Point sized. Clear? Second case, when the object is beyond 2f1. So where the image is formed? Image is formed between f1, f2 and 2f2. क्योंकि उस साइड बनेगी ना, between f2 and 2f2. Let me show you the ray diagram of this. Between f2 and when the object is beyond 2f1, f2 and 2f2, इन दोनों के बीच में. Clear? And the nature is again real and inverted. सिर्फ एक सिंगल केस होगा इसमें जब इमेज वर्चुअल इरेक्ट बनेगी. कब? जब एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस बिटवीन ऑप्टिकल सेंटर एंड फर्स्ट फोकस f1. क्लियर? साइज इज कैसा होगा? उससे बड़ा. ठीक है ना? किससे बड़ा? पॉइंट साइज से बड़ा, बट इससे छोटा. सो स्मॉलर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट. स्मॉलर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट की कंपैरिजन में स्मॉल होगा. एट 2f1. सिमिलर केस है. कौन सा? जब हमने ऑब्जेक्ट को प्लेस किया था एट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर इन केसेस ऑफ मिरर. सो यहां पर क्या हो जाती है? सेम साइज हो जाता है. क्लियर? आफ्टर दैट द साइज विल स्टार्ट इंक्रीजिंग. नेचर इज सेम, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड, एंड इमेज इज अगेन फॉर्म्ड एट 2f2. क्लियर? नाउ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज बिटवीन f2, f1 एंड 2f1. क्लियर? f1 और 2f1 के बीच में ऑब्जेक्ट. द इमेज इज फॉर्म बियॉन्ड 2f2. अगेन नेचर इज सेम एंड साइज इज लार्ज. क्लियर? नाउ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट f1. द इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड एट infinite distance. At infinity, again the nature is real and inverted, and size is enlarged. Now the last case for which the nature is virtual and erect. Size is large than the object. Clear? in this case the image is on the same side. On the same side, object is between optical center and first focus. Clear? This is the only case when the convex lens, which is a converging, will behave like a diverging, because diverging में ही हमेशा virtual erect image आती है, and the convex lens is giving virtual and erect image. So in this particular case the convex lens is behaving like a diverging lens. Clear? Now for concave lens. For concave lens always virtual and erect image is formed. Clear? So location of infinity, where the image is formed, इमेज कहाँ पे बनेगा? वर्चुअल पे बनेगा, फर्स्ट फोकस पे. पीछे की तरफ आके मीट कर रहा था ना, तो वर्चुअल फोकस पे बनेगा. देखो वर्चुअल फोकस F1 पे. क्लियर? और साइज कैसा होगा? सेम. साइज कैसा? बहुत सेम जैसा इसमें था. कैसा? पॉइंट साइज, बहुत छोटा पॉइंट साइज. सिमिलर केस है देखो दोनों. और लोकेशन सिर्फ चेंज है क्योंकि उसका एक्चुअल फोकस वो कन्वर्ज होके मीट हो रही थी, इसलिए F2 पे मीट हुई. और ये विदाउट एनी कन्वर्जन, क्योंकि डाइवर्जिंग लेंस है इसीलिए डाइवर्ज हो जाएंगी, चली जाएंगी दूर, तो पीछे की तरफ अपीयर टू मीट करानी पड़ेंगी. इसीलिए नेचर भी क्या होगा? वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. क्लियर? और सेकंड केस कहां? कहीं पर भी देखो आप, प्लेस्ड बिटवीन 2F1 एंड O. बीच में कहीं पर भी लिखो, इमेज कहां बनी थी हमारी? बिटवीन F1 एंड O. क्लियर? और नेचर कैसा था? वर्चुअल इरेक्ट. और साइज भी कैसा था? स्मॉल. अब द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विच यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इज, in concave lens the virtual erect image formed is always of small size, whereas in convex lens the virtual erect image formed is of larger size. So क्वेश्चन बोर्ड में अगर पूछा जाता है वर्चुअल इरेक्ट इमेज से, क्योंकि वो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है, क्योंकि दोनों में वर्चुअल इरेक्ट बनती है तो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, इसलिए क्वेश्चंस में गलती करने के, मिस्टेक करने के चांसेस ज्यादा हो जाते हैं. So you have to keep in mind the size. If the size is large, then the image is formed by the convex lens. If the image magnification जिसे हम आगे करेंगे उससे और आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. अगर साइज आपको जब भी वर्चुअल इरेक्ट इमेज दी जाए, you have to look at the size. If the size is large, the image is formed by convex, and if it is small, the image is formed by concave. Clear? Thank you, student.